Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to sharing with you all about the conversations with the American lady in 2019, that is last year. A few days back, I got this voice record in my PC. Okay, then hope you enjoy listening the conversation. Love you, dear viewers. Nili ki tegulo pusong ke kali, si tami kibor idun, kicok cialong an, ang paking ika, komen salong.
Just do the passport now,
Oh,
and now they will miss
yeah.
because the passport is so long.
So long take to
Yes.
get passport.
Yes. Yeah.
Maybe 1 or 2 months needed, I guess.
And if there is a mistake
Yes.
in
again.
your information, even more time.
more time.
So yeah.
Are you also going Vietnam?
No.
This time?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not going.
And about Thailand on October
No, I will be in the U.S. until the end of the year.
this year.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, my first time in the U.S. for so long.
So long.
Yeah, like this. Usually I spend 2 months, 2 to 3 months
In
in the U.S.
In the US
per year.
per year.
Yeah, 2 to 3
Oh.
months. And this time it will be maybe 9 months, 8 months.
Yes.
8
now
or 9.
maybe now is what, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 7 months.
7 months.
7 months.
Okay, that's good.
Good.
Math
More than
class.
half years.
More than half.
Okay.
Yeah. So, yes. Let's see.
When will leave from here?
I will leave on 14 early morning.
Oh, 14 is on Tuesday, I guess.
Yes. I can't believe it's here.
I miss you.
I will miss you guys too, but we have, of course, so many ways to stay in contact, see activities.
Yes.
Yeah. And right now, I saw you are working with the Skill India.
Skill India, yes.
How is it?
It's good.
Yeah.
Yes. And we are developing ourselves so to interact with people, teachers, students, and all.
Yes, and also the administration.
Yes.
You have to call.
Yes.
Say who are you?
Yes,
why you should let us come and talk to all of your students.
Yes.
It's really good practice.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a part of a part time.
Yeah.
This is school hours only, actually.
Yeah.
Maybe we are going for 1 week already.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. How many do you have now complete? What's the number?
School.
Of students.
Student.
You need 2,000, right?
2,500.
Okay.
Maybe 800 something.
800
Yes.
in 1 week?
Yes.
Whoa. That's good.
And we have many to do.
Yes, you do have a lot of work ahead. Yeah.
Maybe we have to go another place also because we
finish in Difu.
Yes.
Okay.
We didn't get much larger of number of students.
Okay.
2,000. It's larger, no?
Yeah.
And also not only for the lower class. For it's 15 to up to 25.
Okay.
And this between 8-15 is from class 8. No.
Yeah.
From class 9 to 10.
Okay.
And the college student.
All right.
And
how are the students? Are they when you do you do introduction?
Yes.
Everyone says their name, or not really?
Don't
need.
Don't need.
You just go right into the presentation.
Yes, presentation.
Just present.
Just present.
Okay.
And register their name. You know.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Have to do.
Yes.
You only learn by the doing, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
We have to learn not only theory, practically.
Yes. Yeah. And I think it's helpful for the public speaking.
Yes.
Because you actually not many chances to practice this. Because people don't say, "Oh yes, come speak."
Yes.
Come speak for us.
No.
Not many people ask that.
Yes.
But
opportunity.
Now, yeah.
Yes.
If someone does, then you will feel, I'm ready.
Yes.
I already spoke 2,000, 2,500. Very nice. And how did you had exams last week?
No.
Or coming up?
Practical exam. for 2 days.
For 2 days.
Yes, not the main exam.
So you're talking at the college level?
Yes, college.
At college level.
College level.
So in my experience, our college, my college experience, the professors, yeah, we had exam at the middle of the semester, mid-year,
Okay.
or mid-semester. So we go to class from September to December.
Yes.
Then in about let's say October, November, we have a test for the first half. What did we learn?
Okay.
And then at the end, we have another test
Okay.
for the full.
Okay.
And these are very big percentage of our overall
Okay.
grade for the semester.
In per year, semester means in 1 year there will be 2 exam, I guess.
So in 1 year we have 2 semesters.
2 semester.
Yeah.
And between this there are also a test and all.
Yes, because we switch classes.
Okay.
Like you, right?
Yes.
We have first semester, we have one set of class,
Yes.
and then finish, and then we have second semester,
Second.
all new classes.
Yes.
Yeah. So in total, we have for each class only 2 exams.
Okay.
Yeah. The middle of the year,
Middle of the year.
or the middle of the term,
Yes.
and then the end of the term.
End exam.
Yeah.
Maybe 4, I guess. The test and the main exam.
Yes. So for each class,
for each
2
class,
tests.
2 tests.
Yeah. But yes.
What subject are you taking?
I studied communications.
Communication.
Yeah.
Yes.
And actually, communications means looking at the mass media.
Mass media.
Mass media meaning TV,
Yes.
movies, newspaper,
Design.
advertisement.
Oh.
Yeah. Looking at these media and thinking about where are they in the society and how do they influence how I see myself.
Okay.
Yeah. Kind of like, when we talk about culture makes us who we are in a way.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
We can't really take ourselves out of the culture. So we look at the media.
Okay.
And how that also gives us the ideas about who am I,
yes.
What is good, what is bad, what is right, what is wrong,
yes,
these things, which was very interesting to me. Yeah,
Great.
I like this subject.
Communications.
Yeah.
Mass
Yeah.
media.
Mass media.
Mass media.
Right.
Miss, what college is this?
My school was the University of Massachusetts. Massachusetts, yeah, is my state. So in the U.S., we have the government or the public, and then also the private university.
Massachusetts.
Yeah. So this is my school. Very big school.
Massachusetts. Wow.
Yeah.
Great. Wow.
That's the communications building.
Oh.
Brand new when I left. Yeah, it's really beautiful. Yeah.
The garden and all.
The campus is
such a big.
Oh my gosh. Really? Oh, that is the library.
What library?
Library.
Oh my god. The whole.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's very funny because this library, so they are very proud of the library because it is the tallest college library in the world.
In the world.
But when the builders designed the library, the tallest library in the world, they forgot one thing. They forgot to calculate the weight of the books.
The weight of the books.
The weight of the books. And you can imagine so many books in the tallest library, right? And books are heavy.
Yes, yes.
They forgot to calculate this. So now the building is starting to fall apart because the books are too heavy. So they have to set up a rope around the building because sometimes bricks fall down.
Yes.
So actually it's kind of funny.
It's tallest library in the world. Oh.
Tallest college library.
College library.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
So
is there any name keeping this for this library?
Yeah, the library is called the W.E. Du Bois. W.E.B. Du Bois. He is a civil rights activist.
Okay, W.
You can just type Du Bois and that will come up. D.U.
D.U.
Space. Oh, dude. Do and then space. B.O.I.S. Yes, this is him. W.E.B. Du Bois Library.
Sociologist.
Yes.
Oh,
yeah.
He is the man.
He's the man named after. Yeah.
Oh. Alive and Cure highlight.
He is we can say civil rights activist.
Okay. Labang so a video kilang may pic lapuson ke kalitatahay. Ahok peralam chithan sinang. Ahok pet ilitum chichini. Ilitum alam lun jutang may pic pu. Lasi ilitum laso siya chithe pading lunang lapen peer thedang pachithang lunang. Kardong.